What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate here in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this 2013 Ford F-150. The radios in these trucks go bad almost always. It's just a matter of time. We get these trucks in here almost weekly changing out the radios. The vehicle itself, 60,000 miles. There's literally nothing wrong with it besides the radio. It does not make sense to pay all that crazy money right now. New car prices are crazy. Used car prices are really crazy with all this tariff stuff that's going on. So it really makes sense if you got a good running vehicle and you don't like the radio or any of the electronics in it to hang on to it and just update it to make it what you really want. So in this particular truck, it had the base model radio, so you can see this thing's terrible looking. There's almost no display at all. It has a really thin display at the top, and what happens with these most of the time, the display will go out. A lot of times the CD player goes, and then there's a circuit board behind this panel which fails and causes you to lose audio. So what we're going to be able to do, we can remove this dash today. We have a new nice dash kit which we'll show you when the vehicle's all finished, which will allow us to fit two different types of radios. One option is a doubled in, which would sit flat, and the other option is a tablet style radio, which is actually going to float off of the dash, and it's going to be a larger screen. So this vehicle is going to be getting a Pioneer tablet style radio. It's going to be the 6000NEX. It's also going to be getting a reverse camera, and we're going to be able to retain his steering wheel control, so his volume, track, and phone functions still perform correctly. So we're going to get this thing taken apart, do the install, and then when we're all finished, we'll send you the finished video and go over everything, how it works. All right, guys, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. We are back with the second part of this video. Just got the radio and camera installed on this F-150. Show you the camera there floating right above the license plate. The radio itself, we installed a Pioneer DMH-WT6000NEX. Newer radio. This thing's really, really cool. I'm going to show you what it's all about. So for the physical radio, it's a 10.1 inch screen. Really big, crystal clear, beautiful display. This radio has HD radio, it's got Bluetooth. We were able to install the Pioneer's USB in the factory location of this vehicle. The radio has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both of which are wireless. We were able to install a backup camera so you can see what's going on behind you. And then we were also able to retain the factory steering wheel control so everything works just as normal. Beautiful, beautiful radio. Everything came out super nice. Updated this truck, really makes it worth hanging on to. So if you guys need anything like this, please give me a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you, guys.